Well, the other one got damaged in a very large jiffy bag, so ICOM sent me a replacement. In this big tube, and I guess it's something like that in the tube. This is what you call OTT, but ICOM UK, or the business. We'll see what it's like inside. I feel like I'm defusing a bomb here. There it is. Oops. There it is. It's in there somewhere. Another tube in a tube. Oh my goodness. Well, there it is. Out of the box. And all ready to go into the radio. Let's hope we don't damage it putting it in the radio. Well, I'm all set up for putting the tube in. It's a very delicate little baby, isn't it? So there's where it's going to solder onto, DS2, and the other side DS2. So we better get it in. Oh dear. Well, there it is, it's in. That's it. Well, time of truth.
Here you've got some fine weather there, John. Just a pause. Go ahead, mobile. Sugar uniform full. And Mike 0 Sierra Bravo Zulu, go ahead. Yeah, just coming. Sierra Bravo. So SBZ.
You think you've got a bigger speaker
where the M came from.
The sound
putting
sounds so
in the logbook.
but it's still a little speaker.
Right, very good. Yes, I'm not too sure. I don't keep a computer log. Never have done. I learned computers in 1972, so
it's all together.
Back that far.
Here's the screws you have to take off to drop the fronts, and on the other side.
I'm on the 870 at the moment, and the on that, and the same frequency. It's not working. It's just to yeah, I missed that last bit. Steve, just before you go, just remember, Mrs. Jean was about 20 Toblerone. Go ahead. Yeah, don't forget to put your whippet in the chest.
That's it then for today.
You don't see many of those, no.